How to pack a carry-on like a genius. Number 1, plan ahead. Do not just throw things haphazardly. Create a detailed packing list based on your trip's length and activities. A well-planned list prevents overpacking and ensures that you have everything you need. Number 2, roll your clothing. Rolling clothes instead of folding them saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Tightly roll each item, starting from one end and tucking in as you go. This method creates compact cylinders that fit snugly in your bag. Number 3, utilize packing cubes. Packing cubes are rectangular, zippered fabric containers that compress clothing and keep your belongings organized. They also help compress clothes, squeezing out extra air to create more space in your bag. Number 4, pack essentials in your personal item. Keep your most important items, phone, wallet, passport, medications, electronics, and a change of clothes in your personal item that you keep with you at all times. This is particularly important for travel documents and medications. Number 5, maximize hidden space. Do not overlook small spaces. Consider using small zip-top bags to organize toiletries and keep them from leaking.